you miss the gloomy weather of Baguio but you're in Tarlac, this place is worth it. Even their food. Sa mga naghahanap ng cafe na tahimik lang ang place para mag-unwind after a long day, may ganitong hidden spot pala sa Tarlac. This is Mel Cafe Tarlac, located at Highland Golf, Maliwalo, Tarlac City. Yes, ito yung dating first mini golf sa Tarlac and they convert it into full cafe na. Pagpasok pa lang, mapapansin mo na agad yung modern Filipino at Western contemporary design. The warm lights are welcoming, mas masarap mag-dine kapag medyo maulan dahil talagang ma-appreciate mo ang place. Yung tipong mapapasabi ka ng parang nasa Camp John Hay ako sa Baguio. This place has indoor area that can accommodate around 60 guests. And if mas gusto mo ng outdoor ambience, meron din silang space for up to 80 people. Syempre, not recommended kapag maulan. Meron din silang event place sa taas for special occasions. Sa mga food, which are their clubhouse sandwich, this is good for two. Their signature cheeseburger, carbonara, we recommend this dahil balance lang yung pagka-creamy. Chicken wings with different flavors, boneless bangus breakfast paired with their suka is the best. And they also have a dessert. We tried the Biscoff waffle. Sa drinks naman, we recommend the cloud matcha and banana matcha. Kung mahilig ka sa matcha drinks, these two are worth it. They also have Biscoff latte, honey lemon tea, and caramel macchiato. Open sila everyday from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. starting this August. Kaya may oras ka talagang dumaan after work, after school, or kahit gabi for dinner. So kung naghahanap ka ng bagong cafe na may Baguio feels without leaving Tarlac, visit nyo ng Mel Cafe.